In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new email account in Outlook. So the first thing you're going to do is just open up the Outlook application, click on File in the top left-hand side, and then select Add Account. Now, there's two different methods of adding an email account to Outlook. You can either use the automatic method, and to do that, we just need to type in the email address of the account that we're trying to add, and then we can go and press Connect. Now, if for some reason this method doesn't work for you, then you can always add the account manually by clicking on Advanced Options and selecting Let me set up my account manually, but this will require you to enter things like the port numbers and the mailing server, which will be found on the email client of the account you're trying to add. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to do this manually, so I'm just going to type in the email address and press Connect. Now, if you're trying to add something like a Gmail account, it would just redirect you to this page where we can authorize our email. So just make sure to agree to all these terms and conditions and press continue. And once your account has been added, we can click on done in the bottom here. And now, just like that, you can see we've added this email address on the left-hand side here. You may need to wait a couple of minutes while all your emails go and sync together. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.